Hi guys, we will learn into the continuation of the previous video of how to create a dashboard or home screen with a side navigation drawer. We will learn how to create a bottom navigation drawer in the same dashboard. We need this bottom navigation drawer sometimes to show the information about the profile, login, or some other kind of item or menu items you can have. So going ahead, let's see how we can add that in our application. So here we have the application which is having the side navigation drawer. So let me off it here and we go there. So the bottom navigation drawer will come in a scaffold area only. So we press over here, enter here, and we put it as bottom navigation bar, and then bottom navigation bar, and then close it, and then everything will be inside it. So it's asking me, giving me the error, so items. Okay, so what we're saying that you have to add the items. So items, it's a kind of array will be there. Okay, going ahead, which will be before this item we'll have a bottom navigation bar item. Okay, we have to mention this over here, so that now as you can see the error is gone. Now there will be several items. So bottom navigation bar item. Okay, and the icon is asking the icon, so we will show the icons. How we can show the icon here? So as previously I shown to you or explained to you that we will learn more widgets in the application, how we can go ahead and what are the different widgets. Okay, so dashboard I have added and I put comma over here, and I will add on sub label also, so that sometimes user don't know the icons, or the layman user who don't know what exactly icon is for what, we can put a dashboard or home. So like this we have. So we have learned how we can format the code. Control Alt L. So like as you can see here, so first item. So what we're gonna do, if we press control, or maybe we can load, because it's kind of fade line item length 2 is not shown, because it's giving the error right now because we have not fully the item and indexes over here. Okay, so let's close it here and we can add on more items, then we will see that ahead. We will add more items here. Don't forget to add on comma, and always remember in the bottom navigation drawer you cannot have more than 5 items. That is a rule over here, because if you do that it will not allow you, because there's a limited space in the bottom area. So whatever the icons I have done up in the side navigation drawer, I have done over here as well. So what I will do, account circle, or maybe users account, so account box I can add on. Same way I can add on that settings icon and the help icon. These are all available into the Flutter only. Okay, so if we do that, we can just simply once try to reload it, and let's see what's the output over here. Now as you can see, it's not properly visible. Okay, it's already there. If you click here over here, the items are there. Now how we can going to make them visible? So how to make visible? We have a facility called selected item color. So colors dot blue. Okay, so whatever the item is selected, see, as you can see the dashboard is coming over here. Same way unselected items are not showing, so we will do that as also. It will be colors dot gray. Up to you, whatever you want to do that. As you can see, unselected items is visible, and same way like unselected items, and we will have unselected item colors also we have already done. So like this we can simply see that it is showing, so gray, and we have not putting a more and more details over here. So like this we can have. So once we are going ahead, we can learn how to click this and how to enable this in this way. So we can see when we are jumping from one screen to another, at that time what will happen, this widget will show, we will see that into the action. And also you can see selected label style. Okay, so that also we can say that blue. Okay, as you can see that is selected label style is different. The argument material color can't be assigned to parameter, is a text style actually. So if it is giving you the option, sometimes you cannot do like this. Okay, so remember, like I just now I did it here, and you press like this. So it will not work like this. So never do like this. So always follow the instruction. So there are more options are over here. Unselected icon, theme, data, and selected label style, font size, whatever the font size. There are a lot of properties. We can in the coming videos we can learn it and understand it. Also, as we have learned in the previous video, I mentioned it that I will teach you how to jump from one screen to another. So right now we are having the home screen. Okay, we have made earlier this registration page. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are at the home screen. We will learn how to jump from one screen to another. So for that, actually there is a facility called navigation material page route. Okay, so on the tab method, instead of using this, I will use this one, navigator. Okay, navigator dot push. Okay, context is actually the context of your whole application, means is related to here, and material page route. Okay, in that the builder. Okay, in that builder we will have this one, build context. Okay, and going ahead we'll have this one, arrow sign. And what we're gonna do is we're going to take this registration page, okay, to our home screen page, and we put it, and it's a kind of method it will use it. Now as right now is giving me error, the reason is it has not been imported. So I'll go here, import registration page. So as you can see, when we refresh the page, what will happen, we go to the navigation drawer, click on home, and we are on the registration page. So like this you can jump to any screen in different section, means in your whole application. That more we will learn in that. And what is this push? And there is also called push replacement. Okay, there are different features for this. Push replacement will replace the previous screen. And what happens when we jumping, sometimes by mistake user clicks on the back screen, so sometimes the previous screen comes. So better use the push replacement instead of push. You can use the push as well, but it's better to use push replacement in most of the cases where you don't want the user to go to the previous screen. So that's all in this video. See you guys in another video.